up. So a little bird.
You don't come back now.
Keep quiet your mouth.
You not go hear word. Shut up.
So a little
Anyhow
bird.
behavior. They
that
talk.
one a small bird. Yeah.
Oh yeah, they talk.
One small bird tell me. Say yesterday. When I went to go and look for how you go better for this one.
Hey!
Waiting.
You look for waiting.
How you go better for you?
How you go better for you?
How you go better for you?
Now how you go take better for you? Now you go find.
How you go better for you? Now
that thing sound like course. How you go take better for you?
I go look for how you go take better for this one.
See this one.
Now yeah, say come here with one boy we carry half dada for middle of brain. Two of them come here, come they talk rubbish.
No, forget it. Talk with rubbish.
I will just tell one thing.
We just there they reveal you.
There's
your
just
real
one thing that I'm
anyhowness.
going to say.
What?
That see, if you like, talk good about me. If you like, talk bad about me, they no fit switch me for this show, but na me and you.
Nobody say they go switch you.
Na me and you.
We don't give you temporary go and sit down somewhere yesterday.
Not
be say anything.
Talk.
We not
hello.
Forget to. You not get mouth.
Viewers at home,
what people
it
call?
is I that you will keep seeing here. If there's somebody sitting down on this chair when I'm not there, believe me, it's because maybe something happened. I need to go and do something real quick. But it is I that is going to be here. And during this new quarter, where I'm going to be here is we are going to even change the picture, and it will still be me that is going to be here. So, if you like anything you want to say, good morning, Jare, people of the Lord. Good morning to you. I know that you will not join them to talking
people of the Lord have been award people. Choose one.
What people are people of the Lord, because it's people of the Lord that will not become what people that will not become people of the world. You understand me now? Give me back my paper.
Wait till happen.
Kebi, don't throw away your.
Wait till.
Sebi, don't throw away your.
Mayowa, be a good Christian and bring that paper down.
No problem. I will come up for short. Carry this paper for you.
But actually, Mayowa, yesterday we talk good things about you.
Now lie.
Wait first.
Now lie. Then I wait.
See, I don't like this. Wait, calm down. You did yesterday.
Never in this life. No.
Don't let people come between us.
I no go green.
See, make I tell you something. You go cough. You see, Mona bring water for Rambo. You don't. The thing when you go do yesterday, now I won't finish. So they do anyhow too much.
See. I don't agree you talk anything. Now because of say you two talk bad, but then why lip gloss no day for it. You can't lick your mouth. Your mouth white.
Naturally,
you have too much.
Forget it. Naturally they lick mouth. You understand? Because they say AC place, you go into whiting things. You understand? This cough, your own cough now waiting. Now the evil way you carry for body, now they worry you like this. You understand? See that one place because I simply like this. We get court case for you. There they do anyhow. Me and there yesterday. We know yesterday. We know say they enjoy the tea yesterday. When no woman to get wahala to give us this side the show.
Let me tell you something.
Extraordinary witchcraft.
Now only people when no fee cash you, now they talk for your back. If una not say una get power, una get strength, una be men them. Talking for my front.
Not people they talk like this.
If
say you are a wish. Say you are a wicked person.
All those ones na number thing wey they tell me.
Man, so what you talk about?
All those ones na number thing wey they tell me.
Now what you talk about?
You insult me, insult my generation. If you know, say you get mind and you be man. Talk off my front. All
right, we welcome all of na come PADI show for today, and we know say all of na catch better night. For those of now who to sleep well, no worry. We're there to make sure say we give na the bestest of entertainment. Don't mind this particular chick. Don't come back now. Fire the bomb.
You will be a particular guy.
Petrol don't top your body.
You will be a particular guy.
Explosion. You don't start though.
Sorry, no be me. Now my hand. The thing they fast.
Your hand. You know why I say if your eye they cause you to do evil, come out.
No, sorry.
If your hand they cause you to do evil, come out.
Now your hand, now you they cause me to do evil, come out yourself.
Myself. No what I go read petition where men them right against you. Not for this show, we go see. We'll go for this break. We come back now to continue on top yarn the yarn. Then I go read out the petition that men have written against Mayowa to appear somewhere.
Shut up!
Will they come back? It's witchcraft somebody. Now me, you want to choke me?
I'll slap you.
You want to choke me?
Come. Say tack.
Tack. We tack. When we go break.
More than they shout, keep talking for them.
Okay.
No problem.
Make I go talk. Make I read the thing we men they right. On behalf of Battered Men Association of Nigeria. Underline.
AKA Ogbonge.
Battered Men Association of Nigeria.
Ogbonge President.
BAN. Ban. We request the presence of Miss Mayowa Lambe to visit us for a court case today by 12:30 p.m. for her prosecution.
Oh.
She constantly has shown a high degree of violence against men using physical weapons such as cutlass, knife, biting, slapping, etc., etc., and spiritual weapons such as witchcraft, sorcery, ogbongerism, mami water terrorism, emererism, and illuminatirism. So you have to appear in court for a court case by 12:30 p.m. I mean a.m. One of the above for the.
Oh my God, I'm a star.
Ban. Battered Men Association of Nigeria.
I'm a star. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Sign us. Agbaya.
If like something I go feed do.
Agbaya reason. Why they laugh that
you
fake
see
laugh?
Right.
What you can't fake laugh? They laugh.
See right.
No, and I want to talk signed by the president.
Who is the president?
Our president.
Who is your president?
Jim Ike. Associate president na MC Galaxy. MC Galaxy.
I no fit carry my this thing go where Jim Mike dey. You know, he will beat my batteryness. He go beat. I leave it for there. Please.
No say ginger nobody. All right.
Hey, let's go on to the yarn. Shall we now, please? Yarn us this thing. Let us talk the yarn. Come on. Be snappy. Make it snappy. Quick. Come on. Quick on. Come on. Come on.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine girl.
Can I come and see her?
No.
Because now witchcraft, so we cannot come and see her.
Shut up. Can't you just sing song normally?
You see yourself?
You must insult me. Everything insults me. Get
somebody.
out. Make I give una first gist.
Touch me now. You go enter court. Touch me. You're not finished. Case number 72. Do you plead guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty.
Before I go talk, wish somebody like you.
All right, so this one a very sweet story because it starts off as a sad story, but over time the thing don't sweet onto the matter. Now this particular guy, where we say him be farmer. You get me now? Yeah, he's a builder usually. He's a builder, farmer, everything. The guy been chop one bacteria where bite them. That's in they chop people flesh. Where we say. For starters, him be even think say whether he just get small fever until when in limbs, all in joints begin fail. You understand? Begin turn black. So the doctors talk say no go fit survive him. In fact, they had to cut off all in limbs them, all in joints them. So they cut off in knee, cut off in arm. You understand me now? They can't put the guy on permanent life prosthetic legs and arm. You get.
Explain that one.
Now, prosthetic leg and arm, now that kind of thing where we say person they those things where then they wear. When I know Oscar Pistorius, that thing where they wear for leg for people who don't get leg, that official leg where then they wear. For now, know one of my friends, I they call her Nikki P, Nikki Pistorius. Yeah. You understand me now? Yeah. She have it one in her leg. You understand? It's a posterior leg that she used to wear in the place. So that thing is a very good thing because for those who don't get leg, if they enable them is a walk. It cannot be normal. But you know it will be almost normal. You understand? So they have now put for the guy now. Right after Dr. Contact said the guy no fit survive anything. In fact, the 47-year-old man now don't they learn how to walk.
Hey, yeah.
Now miracle because they don't tell and say he no fit do anything about him.
But he proved them wrong.
I'm telling you.
He proved them wrong.
Yes.
He proved them wrong.
Yes.
He proved them wrong.
Yeah, you see him. You see him. They don't give him posterity everything. So the guy now he don't they let him come talk say he no fit do him without the help of his wife Rose.
Oh.
Because she say Rose stand by him.
Hey.
This Auntie Rose, God will bless you. God will bless you. Because you see it, it's
a cutting
yes.
from a knee or mouth.
Yes.
Can't Chook fake one put.
Yeah.
So I go feed the user and the worker.
Yes. He can't say they look forward to when he go back to his farm, go they take care of his farm. Say and he talk say he don't know why this kind of thing happen to him because somebody like him on a normal day, in they help people, in they work all the time, he not be lazy man. So why this kind of thing go happen to him? But it don't happen, it don't happen.
See, baby, one thing. For every woman where they stand by their man, God will bless you.
Amen.
Why your amen shout loud?
Because I stand by you.
Who?
You.
Who?
You.
Hey.
Are you not my man?
Are
you not my man? Why are you denying in public? Are you not my man?
Who is your man? I look like your man, ni.
You. That's not why I can
not
do
come.
you anyhow.
Not they do me
because
anyhow.
you are my man. You will take anything I do you. Talk your story.
Take anything you do.
If you know say I no be your man, I be your I no be your girl. Talk your story.
Now man spirits they worry you. That's the problem with you. You are dragging with a man and you go restrict things. That's the problem with you.
Oh my God, how can you say that kind of look at me? I'm so soft spoken. What did I do?
To the left, to the left, everything about it to the left, in your closet. Me.
No
okay.
They take advantage of me, you hear?
Who's taking advantage of you? I'll take disadvantage of me in the process. Suleiman Hashimu, aka the Traveler.
Uncle.
This guy now, he say, if Oga Buhari win the election, he is going to trek all the way to Abuja from Lagos.
Make I talk on Fausa.
I talk on Fausa.
Idan aka gama siyasan nan.
Hey!
Malam Buhari ya shigo ya zama 'yan siyasan komai a cikin Najeriya. Zan taka daga nan Lagos. Taka har Abuja ba mota, ba keke, ba mashin, ba komai da kafafuwa na zan taka. Kuma gashi ya taka.
Hausa ka sweet eh.
Ya taka.
I don't know what they talk, but wait.
Don't. Continue your story.
Wait happen.
Don't try it. That thing they say in your ear, don't try it.
No, I no go talk. No mind them. They be wicked boys. But it be like this now, Suleiman, he don't walk up from Lagos to Abuja finally. We clap for you.
Only you put yourself for work.
Only you decide, say. But how much they want to pay you now for this
for
one?
For free, because now you talk am.
Now you talk am. But maybe Oga Buhari, no.
Buhari doesn't have time for that.
No, you know, he said, the guy can walk, okay, now we'll give him Minister of Walking. Or maybe something else. But the guy, he don't finally from Lagos, waka reach Abuja. That is the story. Now we wear red shirts, so they welcome him to Abuja. As they waka into Abuja, they say, yay, correct guy. You are trekking to that place. Let's come and massage your leg for you. So, Suleiman, well done, eh? Well
that
done.
One, you go turn new word for inside dictionary. Suleiman means the act of walking from one state to another by foot.
Exactly. So tomorrow,
so come on, I will Suleiman you.
I feel like Suleimaning.
Yeah, I feel like Suleimaning.
Suleimaning, you know. But anyway, congratulations to the guy. He don't talk saying go do him, and he don't do him. Mayowa.
Yeah.
I want to dare you.
Still on top, PADI, follow us for Twitter at Wazobia PADI. Follow us, we did there for you live and direct. And we can go on short break now. When we come back, we get you know, inside the studio with us.
You
get it,
You know, who be you know.
You know, look, I mean, come on, don't spoil my makeup.
Ginger. This is my brother today. Ladies and gentlemen, that song is touching my heart. It's a very emotional song that used to touch me in different places. You understand me now? So as it be like this now, ladies and gentlemen, I get my guy, my G. You know, the guy will sing that beautiful song when you're here. Nah. I know say my wife confused. She cannot even talk anything because her crazy have come down. I happen to see that man. Now we bring here come today. Last week na cafe. Today now that man now we carry come today. You know how they do. You know what they do. He fed me, so about me, you know. But we will leave out for them. We will leave out for them. Ladies and gentlemen, the building with us today on the PADI show, LAX. You know what they do? Yes, I'm not calling him now. Alpha now. LAX.
Alpha.
Ginger, oh, ginger, oh, ginger, oh, ginger. That year.
You ginger past me.
My brother. Now the ginger, anytime I hear the song, natural ginger, you enter body. You understand? Naturally. Not that I drink anything, no.
Naturally.
Just natural.
You sure say you no drink.
That song be like evil spirit song. If they get something. Yes, why will not talk anything? Men they talk. In the table of men, women shut up. No, not like that, not like that. Women don't go shut up, sha. They will get their work. No, but my wife just sit down where now. Now because LAX now, you know if you sit down where.
Make her remain like this.
Make you remain like how?
Yes.
You know even if you compose yourself
No.
in
This
a
is enough
womanly way.
composure, my God.
Now composure be this one, you sit down from half of chair.
Yeah.
Is it a composure?
Yeah.
Now what for you?
Have you ever seen the guys behavior? Wow.
Oh yeah. LAX just greet her, make her body for conda.
Auntie.
Oh my God.
Auntie.
Me auntie. What's the meaning of that?
Auntie, your hand.
Auntie, give her hand now. Wow. When I talk, say some girls, they be witchcraft. It go be like say
She dey make me ginger.
She dey ginger you, abi?
She dey ginger me.
But na correct girl o. Only say we still dey treat him mess up well.
She fine pass for here, pass for camera.
For natural, pass for camera. It's a good thing, sha.
Talent.
As you know they cry this village cry, now they worry you, say. Just compose yourself, that's village cry. Yeah. But this one sound like another thing, no? Not to just be okay. Play, compose yourself. LAX, welcome, Jerry.
Okay, nigga.
So after ginger, now don't get this correct song. Say, is it say you know an emotional guy or say na just say it just catch you unawares?
No, I did studio. I just did do songs for like 2 weeks. My manager comes to you and say, you just did do club banger. Maybe we speak to the women now. Make them feel you small. So I just say, I do that one
for the ladies then.
For the ladies. Where they find love.
Where they find love. What is it? You ask her with your mouth, not the comment.
No, you say man no talk.
You say man no talk. No, now don't give us talk now. What's wrong to you?
So, are you saying that maybe you're not really a romantic person like that? No, it's just that it's for the love of the music.
No.
Or for the business. It's not as if you are really a romantic person.
No, I'm very romantic. My ladies, I'm very romantic.
Okay, you know what you could do LAX. You know what you could do now. Just sing one small line for Mayowa. Make her body just, just to serenade the baby.
Mayowa, baby. You want him more fefe. I will be there for you, love you, my girl. I'm a lura pepe.
Hey! Oh, Mayowa, baby.
Uncle,
Cloche.
I want to sit on this floor.
No, don't come and embarrass us on this. What's wrong with you?
Uncle, let me sit on the floor.
No, wait, love don't catch you, no. If you come here the full track, Uncle, what's wrong with you? Full and go out.
We'll give her one CD now.
We'll give her one.
Or I go first change them to Mayowa.
Now, true, go reason that one. Go reason that one.
Uncle, I want to go from the show.
Auntie Mayowa, please behave yourself. We are on this show.
Don't call me auntie.
Okay, sorry, Sister Mayowa.
Don't be church.
I'm trying to do that one. Everybody na sister and brother. Bro. LAX. So this one we on board now they push now. What's been the title of this song we just now?
Morenike,
Mayowa, things, Yeah, you feeling it?
Yeah, I'm feeling it.
I go change them to Mayowa.
No, who sing new one for him?
Just
Because the Morenike.
But if I go sing new one now, they go dey vex. Because I don't do Karu, I don't do Belinda, I don't do...
Not true. You are named safe. What did they catch you and names for songs?
I don't know what's they catch me. I won't sing me all the women, make them crazy for me. So I feel just do Mayowa too.
To Abi? Mayowa. So you understand?
But I go dedicate time to this Mayowa.
To this particular Mayowa.
This is Mayowa Lambe, just in case. You want to put this on you. It's Mayowa Lambe.
What they worry you? Say?
Just say make
your market, you oversell your market on time.
No, you see,
calm
this
down
like,
for a composer.
Every human being have to come on their own.
What? Forget what they worry you now.
So,
at the end, they sell your market. You can't want to oversell the market.
Okay, no verse. I just say you the slow motion.
No, not going to oversell. You say when you oversell market as woman, that man no can't see any value in the inside of you.
They will not see your value.
You understand? So your value now.
They will not see your value.
Your value.
Your value will not be seen.
That's more value. We go see. Remember when they go see the looks. They're
not going to see your value.
You want to beat me again for 4th of March again?
I'm so sorry. I just
on behalf of all
high five.
You, God will judge you. But LAX, what do they look forward to aside this one? What did they come up now?
They drop another one this month.
This month, and that song, bam, again.
I won't give them like 5 songs this year.
This year, like 5 songs just follow back to back to back to back.
Too.
With videos. I'm not be small work in the work.
Nice.
I don't get like 4 videos shot already. We are never released.
So now means things boku like this. What we see they wait for.
But make I ask you one quick question because we will soon come on for the show. Are you a fan of education and music, or you go prefer to dump education for music?
I don't finish. I don't do my master's.
I know say you don't finish, but I ask you say
masters.
But forget that thing. Forget that thing. We said get masters now because it's they pay. I make us enter this one. Or one road is not enter the market.
You get masters?
Yes. What's wrong with you?
It depends on the masters. So.
For this level where we did together now, we get masters. So you they tell me now say it did better make you do education and music, or what do you think about those ones where they dump education for music?
I feel say you need education. Because at the end of the day, for music, you guys make some decisions. Okay. And if you know they're educated, you know go feel make those decisions. Now why you go see some people they enter some contract who they not supposed to enter
in the first place.
Or they no go even they go get name, but they no go feel that and make money.
All right, okay, thank you very much.
Social media things. How does they reach you on top Twitter?
Yeah, for Twitter na LEX Starboy.
LEX Starboy.
For Instagram na IWZ LEX. For address, you know, if you come my house, number 9, Ogbonge Close.
All right.
All right, thank you so much, everybody. We don't follow us, watch the PADI show this afternoon. They come back again tomorrow, of course. And you know, we are your people that we know how to bring this.
Go do the craze and everything. On top of the show, at Wazobia PADI, Twister things. Make sure follow us for them. Then we go get things.